All right, y'all. So it is 8:04 in the morning and it is horrible outside. It is lightning. It's insane. But I am going to come in here and do a quick little cleanup. So my mom is coming today with my niece. They are going to stay for a few days and this is where they always stay. So I'm going to change the sheets. Not too much to do really. Change the sheets, dust a little bit, and then the next thing I'll do is go into the kids' bathroom, clean that up, and then possibly the kitchen. I'm not sure. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but this is just like a little quick cleanup before my mom gets here. Then I also have to prep some fruit, and that is about it. But right now I am going to have breakfast first, and then we're going to come in here and get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Welcome if you are new. My name is Karla. Thank you so much for being here today. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into this video. I had a lot of cleaning to do. I had some laundry to do. My mother was coming to spend the weekend with us, so I wanted to make sure that the house was nice and tidy. I ended up getting a lot of things done on this day, so it felt great to be able to just hang out on the weekend, spend time with her and my niece, and not have to worry about any type of cleaning. All right, y'all, so I decided that I was going to work on my son's room in June. So this bedroom is going to look just the same here until June, and I chose June because that is a month that he is with his dad. So I need him to be gone, that way I can move around furniture without interrupting his daily life. So I'm super excited about that. And the next project that I will be starting on is the kids' bathroom. So I have already done a makeover in there. I'll link that below or I'll put it up on the iCard, but I decided to go with something different. I want to change it up a little bit, nothing too crazy, but I do want to go ahead and start that really soon here. And I honestly will probably start next week because the kids are on spring break and they are actually with their other parent. So it gives me enough time to pull out faucets and fixtures and things like that without interrupting them. So I am super excited to share that with you guys. Make sure you are subscribed. Hopefully I will be done with that within that week and then I can post it the following week. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. All right, y'all. So the thunder and lightning is real out there. It is crazy. It vibrates the house, but this room is nice and clean. My son finally got his Google set up over there. I went a little overboard with the Febreze. It's Febreze Vanilla, I think it's what the scent is, because it just stinks in here, you guys. I don't really know. My husband says it's the teenagers. They just all stink, but I really think it's always like back here in this room and then my stepdaughter's room and in the bathroom. It just has like this weird, I don't know what it is. A weird smell, like if the doors are shut for way too long. So of course my son keeps his door shut. He's a teenage boy. But I attribute it to him being a teenage boy. His hamper's right here. So I went ahead and threw his bathrobe and his comforter and his blankets and stuff in the wash. But I wanted to make sure when my mom got here, it doesn't smell like a stinky teenage boy's room. So now we're going to go ahead and head into the bathroom, clean that up. And then I think I might have to prep. I have some like food prep. I think I might do that. I don't know. I might just do the strawberries and call it a day, because I do have to do other computer work before she gets here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right, y'all, I had to share this with you guys. After I was done in the bathroom and my son's room, I went ahead and came into my room and I threw myself on my bed and I started watching YouTube for a second. And then I'm like, all right, we have to get up and we have to get cleaning.
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, 'cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out all your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. I
All right, y'all, I got the bedroom done. It smells really good in here, but my mother just called and said she is not going to come out today because the weather is pretty nasty. It's clearing up here. It was pretty bad earlier this morning, but I guess it's moving towards Atlanta, so she does not want to drive in that. So she says she'll be here tomorrow morning. So now I am going to head into the bathroom. All I have to do is wipe down the counter. Now, this will give me enough time to edit some videos. That way I don't have to do anything this weekend and I can post one on Sunday. And then I'll head into the living room and see what I can get done in there, which I don't think I really have to do much either. So I just want to hurry up as quickly as I can. It is 10:45. I want to just relax before all the kids get home. So I'm going to head into here, tidy this up, and then work my way out.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
All right, y'all, so putting up laundry is not my favorite. I think I've mentioned that before. That's why I like to stay on top of it. That way I don't have a lot to put up and it doesn't seem like overwhelming. But after I was done with this, I went ahead and made myself a snack. I just grabbed some baby carrots and some sour cream and made my own dip. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have lots of videos coming your way, and I will see you guys in my next one.